Hi everyone, it's Emma Chadbone here. I've been asked how we go about adding StreamYard to Facebook, so stay tuned and I'll show you how. StreamYard is a broadcasting app that you can simply Google and find StreamYard.com and register for an account. Follow the steps and then you'll be able to see what I see here. The first time that you click create a broadcast, you will find you have 0 options here and it will ask you to add the app to Facebook. So let's go to your Facebook group right now. Look up your Facebook group and head down to the settings button. And then from there, scroll all the way down the center of the screen to the bottom where you will see it says apps. Click the little editing pen on the end. You then get this pop-up appear which says group apps and go to the bottom where it says add apps. This is the next screen that you see and you can search for StreamYard on the left hand side and it looks like this with a duck icon and give it a click. The next pop-up will ask you to confirm that you want to add this app to your group, allow. And then hopefully when you head back to StreamYard, if we take this one away, let it refresh. Come to the broadcast list and add the plus sign to add a new destination and Facebook group. The next pop-up is a Facebook's permissions, so you say yes, I want to connect to Facebook. This will then take you to all the groups that you are an admin of and you can select the one that you want. I can now see that the group has been added to the top of my broadcast list. Once you've selected the group that you want to go live in, fill in the boxes and give your broadcast a title. And then click all the way down to the bottom, create broadcast. This is going to take you behind the scenes. You are entering a broadcast studio. This is where you can start your camera and and you can also change your display name that will appear on screen and your microphone will be working when you see the green bars. Click enter broadcast studio and this is the behind the scenes. You do need to come down to this little picture and add your camera to the screen, hey there everyone, so that you can see yourself on screen and this is what everyone else will be seeing on your broadcast. You have the option to play around because nothing is live until you hit this big blue button that says go live. So have an explore. You have comments up here so that people who are commenting on your Facebook live will arrive here and when you click them, they would then appear on screen on the left hand side. To then remove a comment, you click it again on the right hand side to remove. The second tab on the right hand side says banners and this is where you can pre-type the wording that you want to include in your presentation. The way to then get it on screen is you give it a click and it appears on the left hand side for everyone to see, and to remove it, go back and click it again. The other buttons to be aware of are at the bottom of the screen where you can share your screen. So perhaps if you want to show a presentation to your viewers, that's the button to hit. And you can also do joint lives on here. So by pressing the invite button, a link will go out to a friend that you nominate and you then have options on how you get displayed on screen, either profile or landscape. I believe you can have up to 6 people on the free StreamYard version. When you've said everything there is to say and you want to finish your live, go to the top right where the Go Live button will now say End Live. You will then remain on this screen, however it won't be broadcasting out. So there you have how to add StreamYard to your group. It's a bit of a long-winded process, but you only have to do it once because then your group appears in the broadcast list and you are one click away from going live in a professional manner. Never again will you lose your train of thought or forget what you had to say. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up and a share. I'll be back soon with some more top tips for your business.